monat bulan tshwe bohal.
Amandla, DOR, please close those barricades, all of them that goes to the Braai area. And everyone at the Braai area must be moved out of that area. Please, police, DOR, help us to shut down that Braai area. Let everyone come back because there is a stampede there. Let everyone come back. Close all those barricades on the left, please. We don't want to lose life here. We are here to celebrate. Please close those barricades, all of them, close them. And we all are on the one side, maximum discipline. Let there be maximum discipline. Close down that Braai stand. Move everyone out of that Braai stand. Close that area. Let it be closed. No one must be allowed to move between this fence and the Braai area and the crowd. This fence is supposed to divide us and the other area. If you already have your meat, take your meat with you. You'll braai at home. Please, come back from that side. There is no more braai because you have no discipline. Come back. Close that area, please. Let's have maximum discipline because if you are not going to be disciplined, you are going to force us to shut down this thing. So please be disciplined, respect the elders, don't cause a stampede where the elders are involved. Please, discipline or else we are shutting down. Thank you.